Children, now we are going to explain question number 8. If you take question number 8, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meters and 9 meters. Find the height of the tower from the base of the tower and in the same straight line which are complementary. So children, one pole is there here. So I am drawing one pole. The angle of elevation one tower is there. So tower H. So name as AB. So AB is the height of the tower. AB equal to height of the height of the tower equal to h meters children. Now from 2 points at a distance of 4 meters and 9 meters. So from foot ఒక పాయింట్ 4 మీటర్స్ అనేది తీసుకుంటే అందర్ పాయింట్ డి అని తీసుకుంటే 4 మీటర్స్ డిస్టెన్స్లో అంటే దిస్ ఈజ్ 4 మీటర్స్ దట్ మీన్స్ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ ఏసీ ఈక్వల్ టు 4 మీటర్స్ సో సే ద యాంగిల్స్ ఆర్ కాంప్లిమెంటరీ డోంట్ నో and another point I'm taking D means from here to here means they are 9 meters they are telling that AC equal to 4 meters, AD equal to 9 meters. So if you take angle C and angle D are complementary they give. Given angle C and angle D are complementary. So you know complementary means one of the angle take theta means another angle is 90 minus theta it will be. So children, let angle C equal to theta, then angle D equal to 90 minus theta. They give complementary angles. Angle D equal to 90 minus theta. Now see children, in triangle ABC, tan theta equal to opposite side to adjacent, that is AB by AC, that implies tan theta equal to h by 4. So tan theta equal to h by 4 you got here. So tan theta equal to h by 4 means you can write h equal to 4 tan theta. So this is equation 1. Like that the big triangle in triangle ABD, so tan angle is tan D. Tan D means opposite side 2 means you can AB by adjacent side means AD. So big triangle I am taking opposite side AB, that is AD. Tan D means that D are having 90 minus theta, that is tan 90 minus theta equal to adjacent you are having means AB, that is AB means you are having already H, AD means you are having 9. That implies tan 90 minus theta already you know cot theta equal to h by 9. So cot theta equal to h by 9 you got children. Now you are having equation 1 you are having here h equal to 4 tan theta. So h equal to 4 tan theta you are having. So if you do cross multiplication children, cot theta can be written as all reciprocal property 1 by tan theta. 1 by tan theta equal to h by 9. Cot theta by reciprocal property, since cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. So children, here having here tan theta you are having here h by 4. If you observe tan theta, so I am keeping tan theta only here. That means if you do cross multiplication h tan theta equal to 9 imply h into tan theta means you are having tan theta h by 4. Tan theta means h by 4 equal to 9 implied h square by 4 equal to 9 implied h square equal to 36 implied h is equal to root of 36 implied h equal to 6 meters. Therefore height of the tower equal to 6 meters children. This is the height of the tower. So complementary means one of the angle have to take as theta, another angle as 90 minus theta. So children, so please observe that one. Height of the pole H I taking, one observation point C I am taking as theta, another observation at D as 90 minus theta I took here. So both are complementary means one is theta, another is 90 minus theta. So tan theta equal to h by 4. Say this is equation 1. So after getting equation 1, automatically you are able to do second equation. Now we are going to discuss about the ninth problem, children. So if you take question number 9. So if you take question number 9, the angle of elevation of the jet plane from a point A on the ground is 60 degrees. So children, one jet plane generally is fly in sky. On the jet plane, if you take this jet plane position, from point he is observing, this point observation point, he is observing the angle of elevation of the jet plane is 60 degrees. So if you, the line of eyesight, if you do this is 60 degrees, children. So this is 16. So if you take A, B, C, so here height of the AB means height of the jet, height of the plane from the ground. B the jet plane అనుకున్నాము, B అనేది jet plane తీసుకున్నాము. Now this is the angle 60 degrees they give. After 15 seconds the angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees. So B నుంచి ఎలివేషన్ తగ్గుతుంది, ఇతను చేంజ్ అవ్వాలా, ద ఫ్లైట్ ఈజ్ మూవింగ్, ఎలివేషన్ 30 చేంజెస్ టు 30 degree మీన్స్ ద ఫ్లైట్ ఈజ్ మూవింగ్, జెట్ ప్లేన్ ఈజ్ మూవింగ్ టువార్డ్స్ హిమ్, అవే ఫ్రమ్ హిమ్. సో ఎప్పుడైతే ఎలివేషన్ తగ్గిందో ద జెట్ ప్లేన్ ఈజ్ మూవింగ్ అవే ఫ్రమ్ హిమ్. ఇప్పుడు బి నుంచి డి అనే పొజిషన్ తీసుకుంది. ఈ జెట్ ప్లేన్ బి నుంచి డికి మారింది జెట్ ప్లేన్ పొజిషన్. సో ఇట్ ఈజ్ మూవ్ jet plane, the elevation changes to now 30 degrees, children, 30 degrees. So this is if you join, this is like the height of the jet plane they give 1503 meters, 1500 root 3. This is from height means this is also 1500 root 3. A B C D E I took here. So children, ఇక్కడ AB అన్నా DE అన్నా కానీ హైట్ ఆఫ్ ది జెట్ ప్లేన్. లెట్ AB ఈక్వల్ టు DE ఈక్వల్ టు హైట్ ఆఫ్ జెట్ ప్లేన్. AB ఈక్వల్ టు హైట్ ఆఫ్ ది జెట్ ప్లేన్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1500 root 3 meters. So see the point of observation. C is point of observation such that angle ACB equal to 60 degrees and elevation change అయిన తర్వాత యాంగిల్ ECD ఈక్వల్ టు 30 degrees. యాంగిల్ ACB ఈక్వల్ టు 60 degrees and యాంగిల్ ECD ఈక్వల్ టు 30 degrees. So the elevation changes from 60 to 30 they give. Now children, see, please be carefully. So first I am taking this one in triangle ABC, you will get automatically AC. Now in triangle ABC, tan 60 degrees equal to opposite side to 60 degrees by adjacent side to 60 degrees. Imply tan 60 value root 3, opposite side to means AB by AC. That implies root 3 equal to 1500 root 3 by AC. That implies root 3 into AC equal to 1500 root 3. Root 3 cancel. AC equal to 1500 meters. So under bane undi. AC I got AC after I am taking big triangle. In triangle CDE, so in triangle CDE, tan 30 degrees equal to opposite side to 30 degrees by adjacent side to 30 degrees. Opposite side to 30 degrees by adjacent side to 30 degrees. Tan 30 value 1 by root 3. Opposite side to 30 degrees means in this DE by CE. That is DE by CE. that implies 1 by root 3 equal to DE means already you know 1500 root 3 by CE. If you do cross multiplication, CE equal to 1500 root 3 into root 3, that implies CE equal to 1500 into root 3 means 3, that is CE equal to 4500 meters. So CE you got children. So from here this is 1500, this total 4500 you got. Therefore you got AE. How you get AE equal to therefore AE equal to 4500 minus 1500, 4500 minus 1500, that is 3000 meters. AC means what? Distance traveled by jet plane. Distance traveled by jet plane equal to 3000 meters. So ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ ట్రావెల్ చేయడానికి టైం టేకెన్ టు ట్రావెల్ 3000 meters equal to how much they gave in the question? 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Therefore speed of jet plane equal to distance by time, d by t, 3000 by 15. If you do cancellation, 200 meters per second. So this is 200 per meter second children. So this is how to do jet plane problem. This is also most important problem children. So drawing the figure is very very important. After drawing the figure you can do the problem with yourself. Thank you children.